ready?
Welcome back again for another video, and for this video I'll teach you how to do 5 times step back of James Harden. So first, if you're using only touch controls, here's what you need to do. Go straight to the basket and tap down the right stick. It will do like that. So that's the first step back. And if you want a triple step back, click again the right stick. The triple step back will be like this. See? Let's try it again. See? Let's try it again. See? You need to time it very well. But in Flydigi, we can only do that with just using one button. So in order to do that, open Flydigi app. Let's click new, put this on here. Let's save this first. Any file name you want, done. So open Flydigi app again, click edit. So pick any button you want to use for the triple step back. Let's say right trigger. Double click this, choose macro, edit. So add a button, put this on here on the right stick. Swipe down, swipe range is 63. This should be 0 and this should be 0.21. Confirm. So let's add another button, add RT2, double click this, swipe down, swipe range is 63. This should be 0.525 and this should be 0.21. Confirm. Put this on the right stick also. Save. All you need to do is to aim your left stick toward the basket, and upon holding the left stick down, press the right trigger or press the key mapping button for your triple step back. See? It's that simple. It's that simple when using Flydigi Apex 2. So don't forget to aim your left stick toward the basket, hold it down, and then press the key mapping button for your triple step back. So that's how you do the triple step back using Flydigi Apex 2. So now I'll teach you how to do the another step back. So this step back is much faster, and this is the signature step back of James Harden. So let's do the signature step back of James Harden. See? Let's try to do it again. See? See? That's the signature move of James Harden. So if you're just using touch controls and if you want to do the signature move of James Harden, which is the double step back, you need to press the left stick down and then the shoot button at the same time. So you really need to time it very well. See? You just need to press the left stick down and then the shooting button at the same time. If you don't do it successfully, it will do a step back, one step back. See? It will do that if you don't do it correctly. So if you want to do that using Flydigi Apex 2 and with just only using one button, here's what you need to do. Open Flydigi app, edit. So you choose any button you want to do for the James Harden signature move. So let's say left button, double click this macro, edit, add a button. So double click this, make this swipe down, swipe range is 63, make this 0 and make this 0.495. okay, put this on the left stick here and then save. So let's add another button, LB again, double click this macro, edit, add a button, make this click normal, and both of the time interval and current action duration should be at 0.03. confirm and put this on the shoot button. Save. So let's now test our key mapping for the signature move of James Harden. See, it's working properly. If you combine that two-step back ski mapping that I taught you, it will have a 5 times step back. So it will be like this. See? So again. See? It's easy to do it when you're using Flydigi Apex 2. But if you're using touch control, it's very hard to do and you need to time it very well. So you can only do that on this side of the court. But if you're here on top, you cannot do the step back signature move of James Harden. Because instead of doing step back, James Harden will just move toward the basket, just like this. See? But on this part of the court, you can only do the first 3 step backs, like this one. See? Another one. See? You can only do that step back. But if your camera is this 2K or 2K low, on both sides of the court, here and here, you can do the James Harden's signature step back. So let's do it here first. See? And on the right side of the court, see? Sometimes instead of doing James Harden's signature move, it will only do step back, 1 step back. Like that one. If your opponent is guarding you very well, it's not 100% sure that you can do the 5 times step backs. Let's count the step back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See? It's 5 step back. That's all for this video, and I hope that you learned something from this video. And if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for more gaming tutorials, key mapping tutorials, DIY tutorials, and other contents. So that's all, and see you in my next video.
Coming at you.